Hey, I'm Reba. I just finished a certification in holistic nutrition through AFPA. As part of the coursework, we read the book by Dr. Michael Greger, How Not to Die. In it, he goes into great detail about the Daily Dozen, 12 things you should consume or do for optimal health. I thought it might be helpful to show you what I ate in a day that checked all of those boxes. I will also link in the description box below his video that talks about the Daily Dozen, and I will also include those serving sizes for those 12 things.